I want to have a quick conversation with you about Bank of America Travel Rewards versus the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Okay, those are two pretty interesting credit cards that I want to compare into this conversation. And so, when you are thinking about getting a Travel Rewards credit card, or you just looking for a regular credit card, it's important to know what kind of benefits, what kind of rewards that the Bank of America Travel Rewards or the Chase Sapphire Preferred actually brings to the table. Okay, so here are the key takeaways I want you to think about. When it comes to a travel related card perks, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is actually an overall better choice than the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card. Okay, but I want to explain why, but I want to give you more details too. But you need to understand that the travel rewards can still be the right choice for some people, especially if you're not really if you're not looking for a complicated, quote unquote, complicated cards. Okay, so Bank of America offers a preferred rewards program that boosts the rewards rate of its credit card. So if you are already a member of this program, you would get a lot more value out of this card. So you're looking at the 1.25%, I mean 125% or 150% more. Okay. So that's really cool. Now the Sapphire Preferred also has a better welcome bonus offer and a higher overall rewards rate. But the thing is that the travel rewards card has no annual fee and offers a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers. So the cool thing is that because you have this 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers, you have a lot of flexibility. If you have, let's say, a high debt that you want to really pay down, or you have a high purchase coming up that you want to really take care of, having a 0% APR is kind of cool. So if you're trying to decide whether you should go with the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card or the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, you've got quite a bit to think about, especially if you're looking at the type of rewards you want to rack up. Okay, so I want to show you on the screen real fast here. So if the main details when it comes to these two cards, the cool thing is that the Chase Sapphire Preferred allows you to have a welcome bonus where you earn 100,000 bonus points after you spend $5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. On the Bank of America Travel Credit Card's Travel Rewards card, you have a 25,000 online bonus points after you make at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. So it's always 3 months, okay? And that can be 250 statement credit when you think about 25,000 bonus points. Now, when you think about Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card versus Chase Sapphire Preferred, what are the main highlights here? And I want to go category by category to tell you which card wins. Let's first talk about the welcome bonus. So, which card is the winner when it comes to welcome bonus? It really depends. It depends, but one thing for sure, the Chase Sapphire Preferred actually is the overall winner. The reason is that Chase has the let's say 100,000 bonus points after you spend $5,000 within 3 months. Okay, within 3 months of account opening, Chase Ultimate Rewards points are worth a minimum of 1 cent each when redeemed for cashback or statement credit. So 100,000 bonus points have a baseline value of $1,000. However, as a user, you get 25% more value when you redeem it for travel through the Chase Travel Portal. So these points are actually worth $1,500 in travel when redeemed through Chase. So that's really good. By contrast, if you think about it, the 25,000 online bonus points you can earn with the Bank of America Rewards card after spending $1,000 within the first 90 days are only worth $250,000. I mean $250. So 1,500 versus 250. So you can see the math there, right? So there's no comparison really. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a winner here when it comes to welcome bonus. What about the rewards rate winner? Here again, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is the big winner, and let me explain why. Basically, the Bank of America Travel Rewards card offers a higher rate of 1.5x points on all regular spending compared to the Chase Sapphire Preferred, right? And also, Preferred Rewards members can earn even more than that. Okay, the reason is that the Bank of America Preferred Rewards program allows cardholders who have a certain amount of money in eligible Bank of America accounts to get special perks and rewards rate. Okay, and I want to share with you a little bit of the breakdown for each preferred rewards tier. You can see on the screen here. You have the gold tier, the platinum honors tier, the diamond tier, and the diamond honors tier. So it's just a way for Bank of America to solidify its relationship with its current client. Okay, but the thing is that the Chase Sapphire Preferred offers more rewards in several everyday categories. For example, the cardholders can earn 5x points on travel through Chase Travel, 3x points on dining, 2x points on general travel, and 1x points on everything else. So you have more flexibility. If you think about Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card versus Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and you're looking for the winner when it comes to intro APR, you have the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card. The reason is that this card actually, with this card, if you are a new customer, you are eligible for an introductory 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for a 15 billing cycle. So that's 15 months, followed by an 18 to 28% variable APR on purchases and balance transfers. So what happens here is that you have flexibility and you have accountability too. Okay, so this offer can be immensely helpful for you if you want to pay down large purchases over time, or you need to carry a balance when cash is tight, right? So this is important to understand. Now, if you go with the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card, just remember that the intro balance transfers for this card must be made within 60 days. That's 2 months from account opening, and Bank of America is charging you a 3% fee on all balance transfers, and there is a $10 minimum. Okay, and after 60 days, the balance transfer fee rises to 4%. So this is something to really think about, and you need to act really fast too. If you carry a balance on the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you will pay a 20 to 28% variable APR right off the bat. Even on the lower end, the interest you'll pay will cost significantly more than the value of the rewards you can earn with this card. What about the annual fee winner? Here again, we have the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card, because this card doesn't charge an annual fee, so it wins in this category. So with no annual fee to pay or keep track of, the Bank of America travel card is an easy option to actually keep in the long haul. In comparison, the Chase Sapphire Preferred charges a $95 annual fee, and it's now waived the first year. So you will be losing on that front anyway. And you also have the foreign transaction fee winner. Now, here we have a tie because neither card charges foreign transaction fees. So they are both great candidates for spending while abroad or while making online purchases in a foreign currency. So you have lots of flexibility. Let's just put it this way. So which card earns the most? If you think about Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card versus Chase Sapphire Preferred, you have to ask yourself, if you're going to use the card in several categories, you have to see which one earns the most. So one spending example shows how much an average family in the U.S. might earn with either card. So this example scenario shows the average rewards for a family of four, for the man and woman under age of 50, and two kids between ages of 9 and 11. Okay, so you have like the average American family, and the average food spending for this family will be around $1,500 per month. Okay, give or take. So this is something to really think about. So the thing is, since we are comparing cards for people who travel, let's also estimate that this family spends about $5,000 per year on airfare, hotels, and other travel purchases, with half of it able to be booked through the Chase Travel Portal. So you have some kind of I would say split, okay, and then we can add $300 per month in restaurant purchases, and $1,000 per month on miscellaneous purchases. Okay, now I'm showing you on the screen here hypothetical example will actually yield. So you can see the points categories for groceries, for travel through Chase portal, the general travel, dining out, additional purchases, and total points. So you can see that basically at the bottom here, where you see total points, if you for Bank of America, the total points depend on the preferred rewards tier that you're in. If you're not in either any rewards tier, you're accumulating about 56,000 points. If you're in gold, around 70. If you're in platinum, 83, and if you are platinum honors or higher, 97. Okay, and with Chase, you have 89, about $90,000. Okay, so you can see that basically. With the Chase of the Chase Sapphire Preferred will net more points overall in most cases, but with more caveats. So now let me explain to you when you actually look at those two cards, right? You really need to ask yourself which card will suit your spending habits, especially if you tend to have an irregular spending habits. Like you're not really in a routine where you spend maybe once a week or the same amount once a week or every 2 weeks. You know, you're changing every now and then. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred only has boosted rewards rate on grocery purchases if you make those purchases online, and it's 5%, 5x, not 5%, 5x rewards rate on travel only applies to purchases made through the Chase Travel Portal. So without shopping online or using the Chase Travel Portal, you would get less points. So this is something to really think about. Also, the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card could actually earn more if you are at the preferred rewards platinum honors member or like that tier or higher, right? So this is something to really think about. I mean, if you are, what I'm trying to say is if you are already a Bank of America loyalist and plan on keeping your platinum honors status or higher, then the travel rewards card might be better off for your budget. But if you're not a preferred rewards member, you'll likely get more mileage. You'll get more mileage out of your Sapphire Preferred, especially given that their points are worth much more if you transfer them to a higher value travel partner. So, having said that, why should you get the Chase Sapphire Preferred in the first place? Well, you have a primary car rental coverage, trip cancellation and interruption insurance worth up to $10,000 per person and $20,000 per trip. You have baggage delay insurance, trip delay coverage, travel and emergency assistance services, purchase protection against damage or theft, and also extended warranties. Now, in terms of redemption options, you are pretty well covered too because Chase Ultimate Rewards points are some of the most flexible rewards on the market today. So, as a cardholder, you can use your points for cashback, statement credits, gift cards, and merchandise. You can also redeem Chase Ultimate Rewards points for 25% more value when booking travel through a Chase Travel. And Chase also lets you transfer your points to airline and hotel partners like you have British Airways, Southwest Rapid Rewards, United Mileage Plus, Marriott Bonvoy, and also Royal Hyatt. So you have lots of flexibility. And the cool thing is when you transfer your rewards to partners for premium redemptions, Chase points can be worth up to around 2 cents each. So that's really fantastic. So why should you get the Bank of America Travel Rewards card? I mean, this card also packs a lot of good benefits that you can find interesting. So while the Chase Sapphire Preferred is hard to beat, there are some compelling reasons to choose the Bank of America Travel Rewards card instead. Its lack of an annual fee among the biggest, right? Other reasons to sign up include a generous intro APR and unique opportunities to actually boost your earnings. So this is really good. I mean, I want to speak to you about a few opportunities. Okay, now, uh, besides the 0% intro APR for 15 months, and you also have the possibility to to have access to many benefits. Like you have the Bank of America Preferred Rewards Program, you have the Bank America Deals Program, and you have the Museums on Us program. So when I say the Bank of America Preferred Rewards Program. This is a program that allows you to earn 25% to 75% more points, depending on your combined balance between eligible Bank of America or Merrill Lynch account. And when I say a Bank America deals, by activating your Bank America deals offer, you can actually earn additional cash back with the rotating selection of retailers. And when I say the Museums on Us program, this is a program that allows Bank of America cardholders to actually, participate in museum activities. So, in terms of redemption, this card lets you to redeem points for statement credits to cover travel and dining purchases charged to your card. All you have to do is use your card to pay for eligible purchases, and from there, you can use your points to erase all or part of your charges from your bill. Plus, Bank of America defines travel much more broadly than Chase does. In addition to airfare and hotel purchases, you can use your points for purchases like timeshares, trailer parks, motorhomes, and recreational vehicle rentals, campgrounds, car, truck, trailer, and boat rentals, cruise lines, travel agencies, tour operators, and real estate agents. So that's really good. You have passenger trains, you have buses, you have taxis, ferries, and limos. That's really cool. You also have parking lots and garages. You have tolls and bridge fees, attractions and amusement parks, art galleries and museums, carnivals and circuses, and you have aquariums and zoos. So this is really fantastic. And the travel rewards card also lets you redeem your points for gift cards and cash back as a deposit into an eligible Bank of America or Merrill Money management account. So the bottom line is when you think about Bank of America versus Bank of America Travel Rewards Card versus Sapphire Preferred, which one should you go for? I've already given the answer, I believe. So my preferred card is Chase Sapphire Preferred, especially if you think about the variety of benefits, okay, and also the fact that it's not really that complicated. I mean, with the Bank of America Travel Rewards Card, the calculation of the reward calculation can be a little complicated. Whether you are a preferred, you're a preferred mem- a preferred, let's say, member or not, okay, this will yield different benefits, different amount of benefits. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred definitely has more to offer out of these two cards. Yet the Bank of America Travel Rewards card is like an annual fee and a generous intro APR make it a good option too, especially if you're looking at let's say 15 months. That's a lot of months for you to really go without actually paying any interest at all. Okay, and so if you have a significant amount of money saved up in a Bank of America accounts, you can even be in another category. So that's really cool to really even think about. Now, if you still can't decide between these two cards, it never hurts to compare them to alternative credit cards, from Chase, Bank of America, or other major issuers. That way, you know exactly whether you're doing the right thing or not. The takeaway here is that in today's conversation, I spoke to you about Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card versus the Chase Sapphire Preferred. I give you the key takeaways, the main details, the the category winners. Okay, the card that earns the most. Which card should you get in the first place? Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.